What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create this awesome product review form using your WordPress contact form 7 in a simple, fast, effective and free method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours, because this method that I'm gonna show you will need for you zero coding experience. Okay, so all we have to do is follow me and you're gonna have a form just like this one, and of course you can customize the form in the case that you need. Okay, how to do this? First thing, go to WordPress dashboard. I'm gonna start assuming that you already have the WordPress contact form 7 plugin installed and working on your site. Okay, if you don't know how to install this, just search for contact form 7 Visual Modo on Google or on YouTube and you're gonna be able to find our tutorial explaining how to do this. After, navigate to WordPress left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of our screen, next to the search plugins field, we're gonna click and type Ultimate Add-ons for Contact Form 7. Here is the guide that we're looking for. Click on Install Now. Then click into the Activate button. As soon as you do this, the plugin gonna redirect you to the welcome page. It's not what happens in my case because I already previously installed the plugin to test. Okay, so as soon as you install the plugin, you're gonna be into this page right here. This is a very important part. Review every single one of the switchers and make sure you select on in every single one. So yours may be select as off. So make sure that you select every single one that is free. You select as on. Then click into the next into the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you have the AI form generator. What is this? Hover a mouse over it and select one of the form types. In my case, it's gonna be the product review form. So just like this, product review. Then click into the generate with AI. As you can see, you have the form codes right here. No need to create the codes, okay? Then click into the button create your form. Here is the form into the contact form 7. All we have to do is save into the upper right corner of the screen. Of course, you can explore this code right here and change, for example, the language, for example, your name. In your country, it may be called another thing. You can apply extra options. You can review this code in order to understand and reutilize it, okay? Then copy this short code right here. This is very important. Now go to page, add a new page, or go to a previously designed page. Just paste the code. WordPress gonna automatically create you a short code. Then hit the publish button. And let's review our product review form. And here is what we have. Name, email, the product. So we have a couple of plans right here. We can change this in the case that we want into the form codes, okay? The purchase date, the overall rating, your review title, detail review, product image in the case that you want to share. Would you purchase this product again? Yes, you can mark or not, and submit for review. Simple, easy, and very, very effective. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please, don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that when you install, you gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery, and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on WordPress.org. In addition, with our Enzo WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built up sites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on WordPress.org. It's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth3ws.net and find a collaborator or outreach right here, okay? In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visual Modo Pass. and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of our dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.